Evening. Well, I'm coming to you live. Well, not live, but from the Maverick Equipment Services mobile podcast studio, which happens to be located in downtown Los Angeles on Skid Row. And if you haven't had a chance to see Skid Row lately, you should probably come down and take a little spin and see what's going on down here. It's pretty eye-opening. But had a really big project start today for us, and I made some really good choices. I got up early today, did my first workout, got a bunch of paperwork done, did my second workout, then got dressed and came to work, and been working ever since. So me doing that second workout, already gotten it out of the way, saved my bottom, because I'm going to be home late, and it would have been really bad if I would have had to still do a workout. So my own good choices saved my butt today, so I'm proud of myself for that. I'm happy I made good choices. And I got all my other stuff done while I was here. Got my reading done, drank water all day, so that was no problem. So when I get home, all I gotta do is pardon me. When I get home, all I have to do is take a picture and go to bed. That's it. And then I'm planning on doing the same exact thing tomorrow. It worked good today, and I have the same work schedule tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow works the same. So that's about it. Man, all my guys did awesome today. Everybody, they always do awesome, but today was it was tough. The start of this job was tough, and everyone stepped up and helped, and it went great. So really good start to the project. So anyway, that's it. Day 21 is almost down, and I can't remember how much I've lost. I've lost over 20 pounds, somewhere between 20 and 21. I think 20.3 or 20.4. So that's pretty rad. My pants are falling off me, and yeah, it's good. I'm making good progress, I feel. So yeah, thanks everyone for the support as always. Please subscribe to my channel. Down to like 29 more subscribers. That's for you, Parker. Anyway, thank you all. Have a good night, and you'll probably be watching this tomorrow. So happy Friday.